Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.2 question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Right? Before that, we'll know the property of the triangle. Right? Here you see exterior. Here it is exterior 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 angle property exterior angle property exterior angle property of a triangle exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle, the exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, sum of the interior opposite angles, opposite angles. Right? Here you see the exterior angle property of a triangle is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. From this here you see that this one, here you see this x is the exterior angle, right? And this angle are interior angles, right? So what is the theory? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This is the interior opposite angle 50 and angle 70. Therefore, x is equal to angle 50 degree plus 70 degree. That is in figure 1. In figure 1, you will find in figure 1 the value of x will be in figure 1 the value of x in figure 1 the value of x is equal to the value of this is the exterior angle, therefore it is equal to the sum of the interior angle, this angle 50 plus angle 70, that is angle 50 degree plus 70 degree, that comes to 120 degree. Therefore angle x is 120 degree. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is also here you see that this x is the exterior angle and these two 65 and 45 are two interior opposite angles. That means x will be sum of these two angles. Therefore x is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree. Add this one, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 6 11, 110 degree. This is the value of x here, that is it is 110 degree. In figure 3, you find figure 3, this x is exterior angle and these two angles are interior opposite angles. That means x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree. Now question number 4. In figure 4 you see that this angle is exterior angle and this 60 and this 60 are the interior opposite angle. Therefore, x is equal to 60 plus 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degree plus 60 degree. 60 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Now in figure 5, you see here that this is the exterior angle and these are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, x can be written as 50 plus 50. X can be written as 50 degree plus 50 degree, and that comes to 100 degree. Comes to 100. 100 degree. Now figure 6. In figure 6 also you see here that this x is the exterior angle and these are the two interior opposite angles. Therefore, x is equal to, you can say, that's 30 plus 60. 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Right? Now here you see that this is the exterior angles. Therefore, 50 plus 70. Therefore, 50 plus 70. If this is the exterior angles and these are the interior opposite angles. Add it. The 70 plus 50 is 120 degree. The value of x is 120 degree. 120 degree. Here also you see that x is the exterior angle and 65 and 45 are the interior opposite angles, right? Therefore, we add this one 65 plus 45, we are getting the value of x as 110 degree. Therefore, this is 110 degree. In figure 3, you see this x is the exterior angle and angle 30 and angle 40 are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, x can be written as 30 plus 40, that is 70 degree. That is 70 degree. And in figure 4 you see this x is the exterior angle and this 60 degree and this 60 degree are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles, that is 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. And here also you see that x is the exterior angle and this angle are the interior opposite angles, that is 50 plus 50 is 100. Therefore, the value of x is 100 degree. And here also you see that x is the exterior angle and 30 degree and 60 degree are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, x will be equal to the sum of these interior opposite angles, that is 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.